Microphone, please. Hi. Okay, palapakan niyo po. Ito, Miss Earth 2000, Miss Karen Ebasco and Miss Celeste Cortesi. She is now the candidate of Miss Earth. Okay, hi. Say hello, Karen.
Magandang hapon, mga kapuso.
So, 2017, ikaw ang Miss Earth.
Ako po yung reigning ngayong Miss Earth at November 3 na yung coronation night.
That's right. November the coronation at where?
3 sa Mall of Asia at Rina at ang delayed telecast sa GMA 7 ng November 4 at 10:30.
That's right. So, November 3 po yan. Dito po yan sa GMA. Also, hi, Celeste. Celeste is a half Filipina, half Italian. Hi, say hello to everybody.
Kumusta po kayo, Pilipina?
Masaya. You speak Tagalog? A little lang.
A little.
A little?
A little.
Okay.
Very little.
Very little. Okay, sige.
Pwede po
Sige.
akong translator niya.
Okay, translate. Aba, okay.
English at Tagalog.
Huwag na, Tagalog na lang. Tagalog.
Okay.
English. Meron ka bang boyfriend?
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have.
Very good. Come on, man. Kwentuhan, ha? Wow. How are you, Karen?
I'm doing good.
Okay.
Why don't you have any boyfriend? You're so pretty.
Yeah. Thank you so salamat. But I don't know why. You wanna be my boyfriend?
Oh my God! This is it!
Wow. But you know what? You're still young. I'm old. I'm about 58 years old. But the problem, if I'm going to be your boyfriend, imagine I have to talk 24/7 English. That's a big problem. I want to speak Tagalog every
I
day.
will learn Tagalog for you.
Ganyan dapat.
Oo, support! Mukhang may kalalagyan to, no?
Okay. Wait. Bigyan ng jacket yan. Really? You should learn Tagalog.
Yes, I know. I will. Promise.
Talaga?
Actually, natututo na po siya mag-Tagalog kasi nung unang pagdating niya ng Pilipinas, hindi pa siya marunong, pero ngayon nakapagsalita na siya ng Tagalog. Slowly.
Yung nanay mo, Pilipina? Yung nanay mo, Pilipina?
Yes.
Your mom is a Filipina?
Yes, my mom is from Bicol region.
Your father is Italian?
Yes.
We're same because I'm all the way from
Kami,
Bicol
Italian.
also.
Really?
Really?
Yes, I'm all the way from Legazpi City. So, we have a similarity.
Really?
Similarity.
Oh, look at that, ha?
She
Okay.
came from a volcano.
Parehas pa kayo naka-color yellow.
Oh! Look at the color! See, ha? Compatible. Oh, look at that.